sorry, but I woke up this morning and I dreamt that my cat had vomited, and then when I woke up in the morning, the cat had actually vomited on my bed, and then I was looking at it and it was absolutely disgusting, and I smelt it to check that it was vomit, and it was, and then that made me vomit, so I vomited on top of the cat vomit, and there's this disgusting mess of like double human and animal vomit together all over my bed. And when I was looking at that, then my landlord messaged me and he said that he might need to come over this afternoon. And I was looking at all this vomit and I thought, well, the landlord, he can't see that. I've got to clear it up. So in a nutshell, I can't come to class today. I can't come to class today. In a nutshell. So this is what we say when we are summarizing something. Are you still here? All right. This is quite interesting. This was actually originated by Pliny the Elder, a Roman scholar, 2,000 years ago in the 1st century. And he had this idea of talking about fitting the whole of the Iliad in a walnut shell, like that. A 2,000-year-old idiom. But in England, we use it a lot. It's really normal language to kind of informally say, well, in a nutshell, to summarize something.